Portugal confirms U.S. F-35 as preferred fighter jet to replace aging F-16 fleet. Portugal's Air Force Chief of Staff, General João Cartaco Alves, recently stated in a December 19, 2025 interview that the Lockheed Martin F-35 has been identified as the preferred option to replace the country's aging fleet of 28 F-16 AM/BM fighters, which have been in service for 31 to 40 years and are overdue for modernization. The plan involves acquiring between 14 and 28 F-35 aircraft at an estimated cost of 3 to 4.8 billion euros, with potential initial deliveries as early as 2029 if negotiations advance smoothly through the U.S. Foreign Military Sales Program. Key reasons include boosting NATO interoperability, stealth capabilities, advanced sensors, and the F-35's role as a networked data node in modern warfare, integrating with Portugal's ongoing upgrades like new radars and air defense systems under the EU-funded SAFE program. However, this isn't a done deal yet. No contract has been signed, and the final decision is pending political approval from the government, which must weigh factors like costs, risks, and alternatives. The Air Force is still evaluating other options, including the Eurofighter, with Airbus pushing for local industry involvement via a recent MOU, Saab Gripen E, and Dassault Rafale, but the F-35 remains the frontrunner for meeting fifth-generation requirements and avoiding future capability gaps. This development comes after an earlier pivot. In March 2025, Portugal's defense minister, Nuno Melo, announced the country would not pursue the F-35 due to concerns over U.S. policy unpredictability, potential restrictions on usage and maintenance, and a preference for European-made alternatives to support the regional economy. The Air Force's renewed push reflects a reassessment amid evolving threats and alliance priorities, aligning Portugal with other European NATO members like Denmark, Norway, and several others that have adopted the F-35 to phase out their F-16s.